this recipe, we're going to make fried chicken. Now, fried chicken is good any time of the year and for any occasion, but we're serving it during our Easter chic picnic chic, because it's something that you can make ahead by a couple hours, probably 4 to 8 hours early before your event, and serve room temperature or reheated. So let's go over our ingredients. To make our buttermilk marinade, we'll need 1 quart of buttermilk, 2 bay leaves, and we'll tear them in pieces, 2 thinly sliced shallots, 2 cloves of garlic that are minced, 2 tablespoons of a hot sauce like Tabasco or Frank's Old Hot, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of dry mustard powder, or you could substitute 1 tablespoon of prepared mustard, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, and of course your chicken pieces. All right, so to get our marinade started, we're going to take all of our ingredients except for buttermilk and put them in a mixing bowl. So we have our Old Bay seasoning, our cracked black pepper, our torn bay leaf, our shallot, our salt, our minced garlic, our prepared mustard. Now you could use mustard powder as well, and our hot sauce, which you could also, we used Frank's Red Hot, but you could use Tabasco. And then we're going to take and just give this a little whisk, just to kind of get the ingredients mixed all together. And then we're going to add in our 1 quart of buttermilk. And then we'll also add in, for a little bit of sweetness, so we've got sweet and heat, we're gonna add in about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of honey. So then we're going to take and we're going to stir this and incorporate all of our flavors into the buttermilk. After all of our ingredients are incorporated together and we've made this beautiful buttermilk marinade, we're going to take this and we're going to pour it over our chicken. Now you can use a variety of pieces. You could use all breasts, all drumsticks, all whatever you want. We've used a variety so that people have some choice. And then we're going to just cover this and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or if you've got some extra time and you can do it the night before. So we'll refrigerate this, and then in 4 hours we'll be ready to cook it. Okay, so our buttermilk chicken has been marinating in this beautiful mixture that we made earlier today. Remember, we want it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. 4 hours, a little bit more than that. So we've got our buttermilk chicken. Now, in order to do the breading for it, we're going to need 4 to 5 cups of flour, some salt, some chili powder. Let's get all of that in there. And some cayenne pepper. So now we're just gonna mix this in together. Okay, and then we're going to take our chicken I thought I was gonna be all classy and do it with that, but not gonna happen. And we're gonna roll it and dredge it through this mixture. Now, you could also put it in a paper bag and shake it, kind of like Minnie did on The Help, but I don't have that, so we're not gonna do that. And then we're just gonna put it on a baking sheet. And we're gonna do this for all of our pieces of chicken. And then we're going to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes to get a little bit closer to room temperature, which will make the frying process more even and easier. Okay, now that our chicken has rested and is closer to room temperature, we're going to put in and we're going to cook for 6 minutes with the lid on and then we'll turn it and cook it for 6 more minutes with the lid off. All right, friends, our fried chicken adventure is over, and what an adventure it was. If you find that you're cooking a lot of fried chicken, you can use multiple pans. So we started off with our Dutch oven boiler, and then I switched to a cast iron pan because it was getting a better crisp on the chicken for me. So we're serving our fried chicken. It can be served cold, room temperature, or you can heat it up. And we're serving it with honey mustard sauce, buttermilk ranch, and a sweet Thai chili. So thanks so much for hanging out with us. We hope you have such a great Easter. More videos to come from all the great recipes from our Easter meal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!